Today, Leslie and I are going to show you a home that is in the middle of our element.
No, his element.
Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in the middle of a golf course?
7.5.
Well, wonder no further, because today, Leslie and I are right in the middle of Ironwood Golf Course, just north of Staunton, here in Verona. And today, we're going to take you inside a maintenance-free villa-style home that just has some amazing amenities, and one of them is that it's surrounded by a golf course. Now, you want to know everything about this property and the surroundings on the golf course, so get your caddy ready and watch until the end of the video so you don't shank your next move.
Oh, people, it gets better.
And with that being said, Leslie and I are going to tee this one up for you and get started right now. Hi, my name's Stephen.
And I'm Leslie.
And as local real estate agents here in Virginia's beautiful mountains and valleys, we love it when you folks call us, text us, and email us looking for help with purchasing or selling a property. And it doesn't matter whether you're looking to move out of your home in 9 days or 90 days.
Doesn't
Just
matter.
call us, text us, email us, communicate with us anyway. We'll be happy to help you sell your home or find a home. And by the way, if you like our channel, you like going on adventures like we're going to go on today and a lot of other places as well, we'd love if you click that subscribe button, touch that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever a new episode comes out. And you can keep up here with all our crazy adventures here in our beautiful mountains and valleys. So, but enough about us, right?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Today we are here to talk about the Ironwood neighborhood and this beautiful villa here in the Ironwood neighborhood. Now, if you're thinking about living on a golf course here in the Ironwood neighborhood,
don't hesitate.
Don't hesitate. It's a tough ticket to get. So if you're interested, call us now so that you can have a chance to get in here, because like I say, only 3 homes have sold here in the last 5 years. So don't hesitate. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the neighborhood, its location, the golf course, a little bit later on in the video, but let's go right into this villa here. This particular home is currently on the market. It's listed for $499,900. It was built in 1998, and it has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 1 half bath. Now, here's the thing. For a villa, it is very large. One of the largest in the neighborhood. It's
deceiving from the outside.
Yeah, 3,274 square feet above ground, and then another 1,800 feet down below, of which over 1,400 of that is already finished. If you break that down, it's an incredible price per square foot in the area, only $153 a square foot. And it sits on the largest villa lot in the neighborhood as well, at 0.29 acres. Now, this villa has a beautiful brick exterior, and it has well landscaped grass and shrubs and beds. And as a maintenance-free property, you don't have to worry about any of that. Your bedding's taken care of, your mulch, your mowing is taken care of, and your snow removal is taken care of. All that's part of your $144 per month HOA fee. Now, of course, it's on a golf course. Yeah. But it's also at the end of a very small cul-de-sac. You actually have to drive through the course to get to this home. Now, the fact that it sits in the middle of the course just means you're going to enjoy all of those golf course smells and views year-round. And of course, it makes sense, right? It's golf cart friendly as well.
Absolutely.
So, talked a lot, but now Leslie's going to take you on inside, and she's going to tell you a lot about this beautiful home.
Go. Welcome to 20 Lofting Iron. The walkway, as you get to this front door, you're going to pass that koi pond and the lovely landscaping on both sides. Then you enter this covered porch where a cup of coffee, of course, would be what I would be doing on this front porch, and enjoying the scenery of the golf course and the landscaping beyond. But let's take a look inside and see what it has to offer. This home is very deceiving from the outside. There is so much room inside as soon as you step through this front door. So joining us on our tour today is going to be Mr. Fraser the cat. He is going to probably be following us around as we videotape today. He's so sweet. But as soon as you walk through that front door, you are greeted with this beautiful living room with vaulted ceiling, a gas fireplace, and these wooden floors are just shining and beautiful throughout the first floor of this home. Speaking of the first floor of this home, did you know this whole floor is 1,806 square feet of finished space? Who knew from the outside? Crossing over from that beautiful vaulted ceiling in the living room, it carries through into this dining room space as well as the hardwood flooring. And you're going to pass the front door and the stairs to the basement as you enter this beautiful dining room space. And the focal point of this dining room space is that gorgeous hutch. The current owners redid this space a few years ago, and they had someone custom build this hutch for them so that they could feature their china and artwork and things that they wanted to put on display. The lights feature is beautiful, as well as that wine rack that you're seeing there. So imagine putting your things on display that you want people to notice in this dining room space. It's also large enough in here for a large table that could be expandable. Think, you know, Thanksgiving dinners here or Christmas meals here. The light above it is beautiful as well. So let's say that you are someone who loves to grill out. How about that side deck across from this dining room table? You can go out there and sit and enjoy maybe a glass of wine or your favorite barbecue. So are you done dreaming of having your family dinners at your dining room table in this space? Well, let's talk about where you're going to be preparing all of those amazing meals. The focal point of this kitchen is this beautiful island, and all of the countertops in this island have the same granite that is on the hutch in the dining room. And again, it is a lovely black and white type of granite. It's beautiful. The cabinets were also painted at the same time that they remodeled this space, and they are beautiful with their crown molding as well. The appliances in this kitchen are being sold with it. So if you are one of those people who want a gas stove and you love cooking your meals over the gas stove, this house comes with one, and you are going to enjoy your time there. The kitchen also has a pantry, and the pantry is double doors, huge. You're going to have a lot of storage space there. The next space that you're going to see off of the kitchen is the laundry room. The washer and dryer do go with the sale of the house, and off of the laundry room, you're going to have a half bath. But let's talk about that two-car oversized garage space that is also amazing storage and amazing space to park your cars. So coming down the hall from the kitchen, you're going to enter this huge, it's amazingly huge, primary bedroom. It is so large. It currently has a king-size bed in it. It also features two separate closets, so no fighting over the closet spaces. I guess I can have Stefan get his own closet now. But he would be looking and drooling out the window at the golf course views that he would be having. I personally would be enjoying the deck off of this primary bedroom and sipping my coffee off of it and I would be enjoying the views from the deck. But you know, here we are. This bedroom is carpeted. It is beautiful plush type of carpet. It has an ensuite, and in the ensuite you're going to see dual vanities, a separate shower, a jetted tub, and it too is a very large space. From the primary, you're going to turn a corner and you're going to enter bedroom number 2. The plush carpet that you saw in the primary bedroom is also in this second bedroom. It is beautiful. It's not as large as that primary, but it has its own private deck off of the side. and it is beautiful views there as well. Now, when you came around the corner from the primary is a hallway full-size bathroom. So it's kind of like the second bedroom has its own private bathroom as well.
Well, I'll tell you, that certainly is an amazing first floor in this beautiful villa. And you know, a little bit about Ironwood neighborhood and where it's located though. It's located right off of Highway 262, the Woodrow Wilson Parkway, which goes all the way around Staunton. And you're very conveniently located. You're only 3 minutes literally from being on Interstate 81. So it's
very convenient located.
Very convenient. As a matter of fact, you know, if you're looking to go to the Highway 250 area where a lot of the shopping is, a lot of the restaurants, name brand restaurants, you're only about 8 or 9 minutes away there, and downtown Staunton's only about 10 minutes away with all those restaurants and different shops and things like that. If you want to go north, you're only about 25 minutes away from Harrisonburg, and if you need to go east, Charlottesville's only about 40 miles away as well. So this really is a very conveniently located neighborhood because of its access to Interstate 81 and the city of Staunton as well. So we're going to go ahead, now that you know a little bit about where the home sits, Leslie's going to go ahead and show you some of the things in the downstairs basement.
So welcome to the basement of this home. It has so much amazing natural light. As soon as you come down those stairs, you're going to walk into the current owner's office space. And you all know that my office space has to have some natural light. But can you imagine the view while working at this desk of the backyard and the ponds that are in the golf course here? Now, the home also features a lot of recessed lighting, and the basement does not disappoint. The cabinetry behind me that you see is an optional feature that could be purchased with a great offer that you can place on this home. Now, walking over here to this side of the basement space, think multi-generational living. If you have a need for an older child that wants to have their own space, or maybe a parent who needs to come and live with you, either way, this home is set up to give them some privacy and their own space. All it needs is just maybe a little bit of tweaking, because the kitchenette that you see behind me absolutely is gorgeous, has its own little wine rack above the sink there. The refrigerator that you see is one of 3 refrigerators in this house that does stay with it. But as you notice, there's no stove. So it's just adding a stove, that could be a complete kitchen and would be a great addition to this home. So coming around that family room area past the office is the basement bedroom. This is an amazing bedroom space. It's large. It has 2 beautiful windows in it that overlook the golf course and those 2 ponds there outside the window. The view is amazing. Again, natural light. It also has a full-size bathroom just off of this bedroom, a connecting door between the 2, and this bathroom also has a pocket door, so you can share it with guests from the hallway. So walking down the hallway, you're going to enter the second bedroom. She's got it set up as a bedroom currently. It is considered a non-conforming bedroom, and this is an amazing bonus room for you. You can use it for whatever purpose you want.
So a little bit about the Ironwood neighborhood itself. You know, this is a really small but well-established neighborhood, and the folks in this neighborhood are some of the friendliest folks around. And really, as the owners describe this home, they call this property just serene in every way. And it really is. When you come outside,
and peaceful.
And peaceful, yeah. I mean, when you come outside, it really is just amazing. Now, the homes that are in this neighborhood, most of them range in price from about $400,000 to $650,000. There's a mix of attached villa homes like we're in right now, and there's a mix of single family homes. Some of those homes, a couple of them go up into that, almost to that $1 million range. The homes in the neighborhood here are between about 2,500 and 5,000 square feet, and they sit on lots that are about 0.13 to about 0.8 of an acre. This villa, being one of the largest villas here in the neighborhood, sits on a 0.29 acre lot. So when it comes to having a little bit of room in your yard to do things, it's not just a little teeny tiny villa where there's no yard. There's also some space for you as well to do some things here. Now, a little bit about the golf course that surrounds everything here.
Stefan's favorite subject.
That's correct, my favorite subject, right? But this particular course, Ironwood Golf Course, has 5 sets of tees that you can play from. They range in distance from 4,281 yards all the way up to 6,627 yards. And let me just tell you that this course, there's multiple holes on this course. There'll be a challenge for people at any skill level. There's some here that are rather tricky. Now, of course, when you're out on the course, you're going to enjoy the Blue Ridge Mountains as well, and just some real nice place to be. You know, what can you say? We've said that before, we'll say it again. Now, if you are a member of Ironwood Golf Course, folks here in this neighborhood have to join the golf course, but if you're a member, you can take advantage of those 18 holes of golf, par 71 course. You can also take advantage of the swimming pool that's there. They have tennis courts as well, and hey, when you're done, you can go inside and you can go to the 19th hole restaurant, and you can take a meal from there. You can take it inside the restaurant, or you can take it out on their nice deck out on the back and overlook the golf course and just have a real nice evening together. Now, if you want to join there, here's a list of the memberships that are available there, and the most common one is the family membership for $240 a month. Well, what do you think, Leslie? That was a pretty amazing villa right here in the middle of Ironwood Golf Course, wasn't it?
Yes, he tells me I use the word amazing too much.
It's amazing how much she uses amazing. but anyway, this house truly is a great home, a villa home right here on Ironwood Golf Course, listed currently for $499,900, and it has so much room in it. It's just amazing.
It's amazing.
But you know what? I couldn't help but come out here on the golf course and here at Ironwood, and wish I had time before it got dark to go out and play around, but oh well, duty calls, I guess. But if you have any questions about this home or any of the other homes here in our beautiful mountains and valleys, you know, Leslie and I would be more than happy to help. We are so excited for all of those of you who have come and called us. We just thank you so much for working with us, and we love to help. And but from here on the golf course on this beautiful par 3 here in the evening, until next time, we'll see you around town.